Hello, my dolls. Sorry for this weird intro, but yeah, the actual one was really long, unnecessarily long. But anyway, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use spray for installations. And yeah, I hope this video really helps you. And yeah, I tried to be as detailed as possible because I know I'm even showing people who install on people. So please comment anything down below. So I'm using the stocking cap with spray, right? You don't really need to do that what do they call it, bulk cap method where you glue the, because you don't need to, especially if you're gonna have the installation for one day. I personally think the bulk cap method is for 3-day 4-day installation, and that will do when we do ghost bond. I did upload a video using ghost bond, but I didn't like the video, so I took it down. So I'm gonna do a voiceover so that this video is not too long, guys. But this tip right here, I just want to say physically. So as you can see, wigs do come with adjustable bands, right? You do need an extra one so that by the time the hair lays on your head, by the time you start gluing, your hair is already like it's already like seated on your skin, because usually with these elastics, your hair is not seated on the skin. You find that there's a bit of a space, so you don't want that space. To make your installation easy, number one. Number two, number two will be cutting the lace before you spray. I know there's a technique of spraying. I've done that before as well, but personally I think it's easier to cut the lace first and spray, due to my own reasons. I don't know, try it and tell me, but I think that's easier. Okay, we're gonna be using a 360, but I won't really tie down the back part. I'm only gonna use the front part. I don't have a mirror here, guys. I don't have a mirror. So I wore the wig in the bathroom because the mirror is in the bathroom. So this is the reason why you need to style your wig way before you put it on your head. You know, already you have opened your line, and then this line E. You have already opened your line, but I think is it fine? Okay, I think it requires a bit of plugging here. I didn't plug the line, guys. I just opened the line because plugging does shed hair, so I don't want to shed more hair on my legs. So this is the reason why you need to style your hair before you actually put it on your head. You see, now I don't have to iron my hair on my head. I don't have to use the hot iron on my head. You know, it saves you time, and yeah, it saves you time. So from now on, you fit it perfectly, right? You fit it perfectly before you start gluing. Make sure, make no mistake, make no mistake. Make sure, make no mistake. And then I can't wait to glue the back, but it's not today. So yeah, you see, it's perfectly fitting, covering all the side bands. Yes, it should cover the side bands. Cover. Then now we are going to cut the fronts. So girlies, with cutting the lace, it's easier to do it in sections, especially if you are a beginner. You really don't have to like force yourself to start from one ear to another cutting the lace. No, just cut it in sections, and after cutting it like this in sections, and then you start removing it in sections as well. So Yeah, you see, you're gonna keep on cutting like that in sections until you're done. You just have to be patient with all this process because it helps you to make interest rights. You know, when you are rushing, you're gonna make wrong things, and you don't cut like straight. I think you can see my lace is not really straight, it's a bit rough. Try cutting rough, zigzaggy, rough. I think it works with rough than zigzag. Zigzag, sometimes you would think you are zigzagging, but then it's straight. So try to make it rough. Okay, for the lace, I didn't cut any hair on the front. It was just the lace, right? It was just the lace. And before you cut out of your side bands, make sure, otherwise you will cry. Oh my god, I forgot to switch off my fridge, guys. It makes a lot of noise, but I don't know why. So for me, I'll have to cut from behind, like going there, to avoid making a straight cut here that is going to the back. And pity I don't have a mirror, guys. I don't want to do mistake on my lace, so I'm gonna go to the mirror. Sorry. So let me show you something. If you were to cut the sideburn, this is my sideburn. If I were to cut it off, like, I think I would probably wear this glueless, because it would sleep. If I cut off this, it would sleep. And yeah, even if I cut off this side, so I don't want to cut them off. I want them to be coming here, you know. So yeah, so now we're gonna glue down the wig. It's time to glue. All you need: hair dryer, your spray. My spray is almost finished, but I have another one. Your spray, and you have your comb. You are using a comb because you want to avoid using your fingers, because your fingers, they they get sticky. They like the glue sticks on your fingers. Yes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull it back, because I'm sports, guys. Yeah, when I lay a spot, it's already marking for me. I'm just gonna pull it back and I'm gonna start spraying. Okay, that's very wrong. That's not where you're supposed to spray. Yeah, you're supposed to spray here. Oh, yeah, again. Where I'm supposed to glue down the wig. That's where you spray. For a second layer, you don't wait for it to be tacky. That's something I saw lately. You apply it again. You don't wait for it to be tacky to apply second layer. Like this. Yeah, then now. Why is this thing moving me? Not too much heat, cool air, and make sure that the hair doesn't come here because it will stick. Make sure we clean. Lift your lace. Come where you're supposed to come. Yeah, where you're supposed to come there. And this side is supposed to be here. And obviously I'm using cold heat. I can't put it on my face like that when I'm using hot heat. Measure. I'm gonna come to the other side, but before I come, let's make sure first. So yeah, you know, we do it last. Then you come this side, all the way up, all the way up. Then now, come now. So this part right here, you should not skip it. It really makes your lace lay flats, and like after gluing and then you just leave it and go, it won't really be like stuck. Not, what am I saying, not stuck, it will still be stuck, but you see that lace gap, the cutting parts, it won't be as prominent, it won't be as visible. If you, this is why I don't do baby hairs. Look at my face shape already. I have hair that comes to my forehead, like my hair ends here, right? So hey, doing my baby hairs, guys, on see for sale. But then yeah, this would work. Come on, where's my comb? Okay, it's there. So this one here, but there's a lot. Yeah, not a lot. Not a lot. Problem is, I don't see that. You know that thing that does this? I don't want to do it with the scissor. I'm not using it. I was using this other day when I was doing installation, and that's where I've put it now. Like, one thing about me, after installations, I'm just tired. Like, I'm tired. And I just want to rest. And I put everything everywhere. Where I could put anything, I put it there. And I don't want to use a scissor. Because a scissor will make a straight cut. I don't want to do that. Let's try this. Straight cut anyway. And then, okay, I need to look for what's wrong there. I'm so tired, but I look pretty. Actually, I'm not that bad. I found them together at the same sports. I have this kind of like a basket, the ones that are similar to laundry baskets, but the smaller ones that I put stuff on. I don't know why I didn't go check there. Why then? One thing about me. I don't want more hair, please. No more hair. Okay, I think I need to do it like outwardly. This is a lot of hair, man. I don't want more hair, please. Don't come to the front. Young girl. Niñez. Honestly, doing these things on myself is so weird, guys. I do it so effortlessly on someone else, but on myself, I struggle. Hey Nina, struggle to scan again. Guys, I'm even, my mind's even tired. Hi guys, we'll do it some other day. I'm tired. Delong mami kancane. Hi bandla. Niyibonile ngithi installation guys. Niyibonile ngisho. Niyibonile. That's all that matters. Bazalwane. That's all that matters. Okunye nje. Amanga. Okay, I need to wipe my face. Okay, my dolls. This is the final look. I hope you get the gist of the installation process. I know there are plenty of installations on YouTube. Hope you learned something from this one. Thanks for watching and see you in my next upload. Ciao.